Okay, so the new AlgoBee update has just been released, and this new update is equipped with AI agents, specifically on the HFT agents. So I am super excited in this video to show you how to set up your AlgoBee trading bot right away. So the new update has the algo sales strategy as well as the HFT agent strategy, either with the progressive HFT strategy that was available before, and currently the momentum strategy has been removed. So let's quickly do this. Let me show you how to set it up. So this is your AlgoBee trading bot right here. So if you click on start, you are going to see this is the current version v2.3.0 right here. And then this is a new strategy that is just been added, which is the algo search as well as the HFT agent strategy. This algo search is for individuals who want to grow their portfolio for a long time. Like you want your portfolio to be, you want to build your portfolio, yeah, go ahead and use the algo search strategy. It is my favorite actually, and it is going to serve as the mother of this AlgoBee trading bot. So when you think about AlgoBee trading bot, think of the algo search strategy as the mother currency of AlgoBee trading bots. So for you to set it up, the progressive HFT strategy is just the same way you set it up just from the previous video by linking your API keys and so on. So it's similar to all the three strategies, and these three strategies is based on genetic algorithms. So I'm going to click on the algo search strategy. For example, this is where you can click and then link your API key as well as your secret key from your exchange from the list of the supported exchanges here. More exchanges are going to be added later. And then the power is where you can click to start your board, stop your board, and so on. Remember, the previous version did not have a power button, so you can easily go ahead and power on any of these strategies and then power it off. This is incredible. Okay, let's go back to the algo search. This algo search right here, you can see the auto instance, the max auto instance. So the auto instance, just like the previous one, is where you can select auto instance if you want your bot to automatically select trading pairs. But if you want to add trading pairs on your own, you can just send the trading pair like this, BTC USDT, and then send it to the bot, and it is going to ask you which of the strategy do you want to add BTC USDT instance. In that case, you can select the strategy like algo search trading strategy, but you can see I did not link my exchange. That's why it is prompting me that I have to link my exchange before I can create an instance. This is incredible. So let's go back to our algo search trading strategy. And then from here you can see the time frame, which is the default 30 minutes time frame, and the max drawdown of 50%, which is the drawdown based on backtest results. So the drawdown is not really guaranteed, or is not the maximum drawdown tolerance, but it's just the maximum drawdown based on backtest results. So that's the way it is. So you can set it right here. This is where you can set your trading size in USDT. And if you want to receive notification when your AlgoBee algo sales trading strategy executes or close any position, you can go ahead and turn on the I don't have a license to turn it on. Okay, you need a license to use your AlgoBee trading bot. So you can click on start and then click on buy license, and then you will get your AlgoBee license to use and activate your AlgoBee. That's the way it works. So on the HFT agent, this is specifically inspired by AI agents. It is for users who want to double their accounts overnight, or they want fast profits. You understand? If you just want to enter and then maybe grow your account from 100k to 150 to 200 and so on by doubling, that is where HFT AI agents strategy actually comes in. So you can go ahead, link your exchange, but remember, this strategy is for those who want to double their account, or if you want a fast trading algorithms that execute trade continuously. That is where you come to HFT AI agent or HFT agents. So go ahead and click on your settings and go to algo sales strategy settings, link your exchange, power it on, and watch as it grows your account on the long term. On the Discord channel, if you go to the Discord on the trade history, you can see most of the trade. This is just a test trade right here that you can see right here. So when users start using it, you are going to see a lot of notifications coming in. For example, you can see Okoye said from Nigeria making profit of 0.02. This is just a test trade from some users who decided to test it prior to the time of recording this video. So this is incredible. There's going to be a link in the description of this video for you to join our official Discord channel right here. So go ahead and click on the link to join the Discord channel. Okay, so that's exactly what you need to know about setting up your new strategy on the AlgoBee Trading Bot. So I'm super excited to show you this, and I am going to be more than super excited to share my profit with you. So put it in the comment section, because I'm going to be doing a giveaway for only those who comment on this video right now, a giveaway of the first 5,000 USDT generated from AlgoBee, because I am going to fund it with 50k right here right now. So the first 5k is going to be a giveaway. So comment down below and see you in the next video.